Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I have goosebumps all over my body. I'm so excited, so emotional to be sharing with you an incredible story about Sam, who's one of our amazing community members who's done something that's literally life changing and inspiring. And trust me, you're gonna want to stick around to the very end so you don't miss out. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm a single mother of two children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa. Currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally find that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. You see, I had this mom guilt because I was spending all this money that I couldn't afford to build businesses online, and I wasn't even breaking even, right? It was costing me money. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. Last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide into strangers' DMs. Now, I want to share with you the Sam's incredible story, because Sam went from teaching in high school in Kenya, being a high school teacher. 8 months ago, that's what he was doing, and he just quit his job so he could focus on building his digital business. And when he made that decision, his mom was skeptical. She was like, "Are you crazy?" Right? Because teaching has this what you call this positive outlook in Africa. Oh, you're a teacher, all right. She's like, "You're gonna quit doing that so you can make silly videos on TikTok? Are you crazy?" And she actually went to get him another job. Imagine how concerned that mother was. And he turned that down. Like, "No, this is not for me. There are better ways for me to make money." So fast forward 8 months, let me just share with you what he shared in this community that has me so emotional, so excited, and so happy for him, especially because I'm from Malawi, which is close to Kenya as well. Okay, so this is what he shared in our community 7 days ago. So he goes, "Brand new house and land for my mom." And he goes, "Paid in cash, baby." That's how we do it in Africa, right? If you can. So he goes, "Pinch me all." This is unbelievable. Imagine, for 8 months in digital marketing, I gave my dear mom a gift of her lifetime: brand new house and land. Not in a bad way, but imagine, from my teaching job, I would never be able to do this. I love my mom and I really wanted to be there for her. She's gone through a lot in her life, right? So how many of you can relate to having a mom who's gone through a lot in her life? And so when I told her I quit my job to do digital marketing, she wasn't happy about it. I remember she asked me, how can silly videos feed your family, right? How can silly videos feed your family? She didn't get it, right? So she didn't get that I was making 100% profit in dollars, right? That makes 900 to be over hundreds of thousands in Kenyan money. She didn't get that I'm part of the most supportive online community in the world. This is where he's posting this, in our community. She even looked for another teaching job for me, and I declined her offer. She did it out of love for me and my family. And that silly TikTok videos got her a house and plenty of land to do farming or anything else she wants to do. So if you're reading this, I want to encourage you and challenge you. He says, anything is possible. I can't believe I'm telling you this, knowing that I was so skeptical to start this online business. But yes, I'm saying anything is possible. From a struggling high school teacher to a thriving digital marketer who's debt-free and able to tap into his parents' blessings. She cried tears of joy, and I felt her blessings in my life. Cheers to all those who love their moms and who would do anything for them. Here's a TikTok video I did with my mom. It's very emotional moments for me and her. So he shares his TikTok video, which I was just watching. Where's TikTok? I was just watching the video. There's a link there where he shares the TikTok video with his mom. And that's just the video. Probably just share it. Hopefully, it's audio. Okay, so yeah, you could hear the different sounds of nature in the background. You could kind of have see an idea of what he's done for his mom. So imagine being in that situation. Like, we all have a mom, right? Some moms deserve houses and land, others don't. Not all moms do. But imagine being able to provide that for your mom. If you're interested in learning exactly how Sam's did this and how I'm actually learning these skills as well, I want to invite you to click the link in the description to claim your free 10K in 30 days live interactive guide, which will walk you through, which will talk to you through exactly how the blueprint that Sam and I are using. And when I deliver the guide to your email, please respond to the email. Let's have a conversation. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic